on? My name is Derek. Welcome back to Golfing, Nebraska. Today, got something a little different. Found these old Ben Hogan Princess wedges, or iron set. 3-iron here. And they've definitely seen better days, so we're gonna do a little restoration on it. We took care of the rest of the set already before I even had this idea, so just gonna be taking care of the one club and yeah, see a sweet little before and after, because this is terrible. So far, looking a lot better. Paint's a little worse for wear, but there are just little details that I can't quite take care of right now. Face is still pretty beat up, Gonna scrub at it a little bit more, see if I can take some of that off of there, but man, that's just a night and day difference. Thing about these clubs, they're from 1972, I believe. These things are 50 years old. Just wild to me. There, about as good as she's gonna get from me out here, but man, just looks so good, so much better. That's gonna do it from me. As always, if you liked, hit that like. If you really liked it, hit subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Thanks.